Now we have successfully installed the Laravel Herd as well as the MySQL server along with the MySQL workbench. Now we can create a Laravel project in Laravel Herd. There is a two way that we can create a Laravel project. First, go to the sites and then go to add sites. Here you will get the options for new Laravel project or link existing project. We'll be doing both, but let's start with new Laravel project over here. So select it, and then it will be prompting with the options, whichever the front end you would like to. I'll just choose no starter kit for now, and then go next. And here let's give the project name as a demo, which will give the site as a demo.test. And here you can leave the path as hard, and here you can choose the testing type. I'll be going with the PHP unit, and you can also initialize the Git repository, which I'll let it as a default for now. So go to next, and then it will be downloading bunch of packages over here, and it will be creating the project as a demo. So Laravel application is successfully created. It is as simple as that. Now you can open that project in the browser. So let's do that. There you go. The Laravel project is successfully deployed and it is running successfully. From here, or you can modify as per your need. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a project first and then link with the Laravel Herd. To do so, let's go to the documentation over here, and let's go to the creating an application. Laravel Herd already installed the Laravel, so let's go to the terminal over here and then check for Laravel version, and then it should give you the Laravel installer. So let's copy this one. So ls cd projects, and then let's create a project over here. Let's rename it this one as API for now, and then I'll be choosing none for the starter kit, and then I'll be choosing PHP unit for testing, and I'll be choosing Laravel boost for no, and then it will be creating the project over here. Here I'll be choosing MySQL, and then default database updated, I'll say no for now, and then we can run npm install. So now let's check this one in our VS Code. So open over here and then go to files, folder, and then go over projects, API, and then click open. So basically it is a new project, and then it will be creating our, let's check the env. We can give the name as API or root, and then let's connect root 1 2 3 4 just for demo purpose. Now let's connect our database as well, so workbench, and then here let's go inside it. Let's save it, and here go to schema, and then go to schema editor, and then here let's create API schema, apply, and then it will create the database for API. We don't need it for now, but let's keep it. And we can also do our PHP artisan migrate, and it will do the job. Here we can actually run PHP artisan serve, and then it should start the server in this one. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to back, and now we are going to link with the site. So click on over add site, click existing link existing project, click on next. Over here select the API. If you haven't, just locate the folder and then select the API and select folder. Here you can choose the version if you have a 2 version, or you can also make it as RPS. So your project name will be api.test, so keep in mind that. And then your application has been created successfully. Open the browser, so that has been created as well. So if you click it over here, it will open up that project. Basically now even if you turn off this one, and then if I go back over here, it will still run the project. That's the beauty of Laravel Herd. That's it in this video, and we'll be creating new project as we are going further with the Laravel Herd, and I'll be using the same project folder as the API. Thank you. See you in the next video.